What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. This recipe we're going to be making today is not even really a recipe. This is probably like the fastest meal you could ever make. For those of you guys that are super busy, this is probably one of the healthiest and fastest things you can cook. It's instant oatmeal, organic, basically with just some hot sauce added. And don't knock it until you try it. Hot sauce on oatmeal is absolutely delicious. You have to try it. I'm going to get right into it. It's going to be quicker. It's going to be done quicker than you can blink. So let's get right to work. Alright guys, so we basically have 4 ingredients in this recipe. This is what I eat for breakfast almost every single day. Tabasco sauce. This is sriracha, and I love sriracha, but it's got too many chemicals in it, and it starts to have an artificial chemical taste after you eat it for a while. This is the Tabasco brand sriracha. It's non-GMO, which the other one is not, and the ingredient list is incredibly short. Okay, so that's the ingredient list on it. Super short. I'll read it to you guys. It's basically red jalapeno pepper, water, sugar, salt, garlic, distilled vinegar, xanthan gum, and Tabasco brand peppers, which is distilled pepper sauce, which is distilled vinegar, red pepper, and salt. So all natural ingredients. The sodium is not very high. It's 160 milligrams per teaspoon, which is pretty low compared to other sauces out there. It's absolutely delicious. You guys can get this through my link below. There's this new platform called Kit that I can add all of the products that are in the videos to this platform, and you guys can order them through Amazon, and I get a little commission. It really helps the channel out. So if you guys are interested in any of the ingredients or any of the things that I use in my videos, you can go on any of our videos and head to our kit and order the products through Amazon, and we get a little commission. Our Dal Strong knife is also there. This is my favorite knife, as you guys already know. I've had it for years, and you can see it in many of my videos. It's 66 layers of steel, hammered finish. Absolutely beautiful. I think it's around 125 or 130 bucks on Amazon. You can get it through the link. It's also listed on my kit. Organic oats. These are quick cook oats, the ones that cook really, really fast. I don't have time in the morning, so that's why I use these. Those are also listed on my kit on the link below. This is my smoked sea salt with Thai chili mixture. You guys can also get this. And this organic ground flaxseed, I believe I get this from Walmart, but I will try to find one organic on Amazon that I could also add, so that way if you guys can't find it locally, you can get it from us. So basically this is it. It's 4 ingredients. All we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna bring my bowl over. Got about a cup and a half of oats. And if you don't know how good oats are for you, I suggest you guys look this up. They are super healthy, great for if you have insulin resistance. They have protein, they have so many nutrients, and I use about 1 tablespoon of flax. This is probably closer to 2. This is flax flour, and basically I eat this because it has omega-3s and DHA. Vegans are worried about getting enough DHA or omega-3s, and this is a great whole food and way to get all your necessary DHA and omega-3s from a plant source early in the morning when you start your day, for all that brain nutrient dense food. So basically now what I do is I have a hot water heater at my house, a hot water filter, and I usually use that, but here I don't have it, so we're gonna use it from a pot. Just add, whatever consistency you like of water. Usually I do enough so it's kind of runny. That's how I like my oats. I'm gonna mix it up. And this is the good thing about instant oats, you don't have to cook them a whole lot. Just give them a good mix. I'm going to add my smoked sea salt and chili. This has also got Himalayan sea salt in here. That's why it's a little bit pink, and it's got ground up chili flakes. What I did is I put all of this through a spice grinder and ground it up real fine. So then what I do is I dust it onto everything I eat that requires salt. So I got smoked sea salt, I got pink Himalayan salt, and I also have Thai chilies all ground up in here. So basically give this a little stir. Then I'm going to just go ahead and take my sriracha, and I'm going to make a little swirly thing so I could use it for the thumbnail, so it looks somewhat pretty. Oatmeal is kind of boring looking. Try to make it as artistic as I can. I think I might have failed art class when I was in high school, so bear with me. There we go, kind of like a swirly effect type of look. Look how cool that looks. I did pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the perfect super fast breakfast. You got your DHA, you got your omega-3s, you got your protein from your oatmeal, you got some delicious natural hot sauce, and you know, it's a really delicious way to start your morning. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out our products on the link below. You can order directly from Amazon and still support the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so my oatmeal is ready to be tasted. I'm going to go ahead and give this swirly thing that I made a stir so I could actually dissipate the flavor of the sriracha and everything else. Give it a taste. Wow. Guys, if you haven't tried savory oatmeal, I promise you, you're missing out. It is really delicious. This is spicy if you're bored of the sweet regular oatmeal that after a while becomes so boring. Give this a try. Absolutely delicious. The flax adds like a nutty flavor. It makes it taste even more interesting. If you guys are not a huge fan, go light on the flax because it is a different taste, but try it the first time even without the flax if you want, and then add a little bit of flax. So good. Remember, if you want to order some of the ingredients, click the link below and you can get all of these ingredients, including the sriracha, the Tabasco brand, without all the chemicals, and a lot more flavor.